How to survive a wildfire. Here are some do's and don'ts one may use in a wildfire situation. This year the western United States saw a few wildfires and the destruction caused as a result. It has left many in confusion as to what to do in such situation. Wildfires are most common in hot, dry areas, and they can happen anytime, anywhere. That's why it's important to follow these wildfire safety tips to prepare. But, if you become trapped in your home, car, or outside during a forest fire, you can protect yourself. Here's how. Stay calm and stay together. It is important for you not to panic and stay at one place and gather everyone so that when there is a rescue program, they do not go to hunt the other members staying with you. It becomes very important to inform the police as to where you are stuck. This will help them locate you easily and get you out of there faster. Filling your tubs and sinks with cold water will keep the area cold. This in turn is helpful when the temperature rises due to the fire. The fire emits harmful gases that will result in difficulty in breathing, so it is advised to keep them covered. If you have a mask, you can wear it as well. You do not want the falling trees and other things to break into your house and scare you, so it is important to keep the doors and windows closed but not locked. Locking the doors and windows will only take more time for the rescue team to evacuate you. Do not move outside the house until the rescue team or the police has arrived, and you are asked to leave the house. Avoid the walls of the house to feel less of the heat. It is possible that you are driving when the wildfire breaks out. In that case, you need to do the following to avoid any danger. Keep your head cool and do not panic in case of fire. The more you will panic, the tougher it will get for you to escape the fire. The fire emits a lot of harmful gases that will make breathing difficult. It is advised to keep the windows and vents in the cars closed to avoid difficulty. Do not get out of the car and start running here and there. Wait for the 911 team or the rescue team to come and take you from the fire area. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.